Want to start using the Jodoo app on the go, but not sure how? I'm Erica, and today, I'll show you how to quickly install Jodoo on your phone or tablet so you can start building anything, anywhere, anytime. Imagine designing your order tracking workflow while waiting for your latte, or creating a survey while you're on your morning train ride. In this video, I will walk you through installing the Jodoo app on both iOS and Android devices. I'll get started with iOS first. If you're on Android, feel free to jump ahead using the timestamps in the description below. It's super simple to get Jodoo app on iOS. Grab your iPhone or iPad and scan the QR code on screen. If you'd rather use a link, it's right in the description. Open the link in Safari. At the bottom center of Safari, that's out share icon. Tap that. From the share menu, select add to home screen. You'll see a preview screen pop up. In the top right corner, just tap add again. The Jodoo app icon will now appear on your home screen just like any other app. Go ahead and tap it. Log in, and you'll have instant access to your workspace, projects, or anything else you need right in your pocket. Next, for all you Android users, the process is just as easy. Simply go to your Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Jodoo and hit enter. When you see Jodoo in the results, hit the install button. Once installed, tap open, and you're all set. I hope this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment or join our community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.